Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Late Bloomer 1111. This is Nicole and Harmony. If you're new here, we travel around and also live out of our mobile home, which is a converted Skoolie. Her name is Peach. I'm just showing you guys in the next video. Oh my gosh. You're so silly, mama. I'm showing you guys in the next video some of our adventures. We cooked with limited options. We cooked in the forest. I did not go to the grocery store, so we had to use what we had. And also we explored some of the caves in Tennessee. And we went to Grandfather Mountain. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. And yeah, peace. Had some frozen broccoli, so I'm gonna add that to our pasta. I haven't even said what we're gonna make, but I just did some teriyaki glazed ground beef. We're gonna have some egg noodles, and I'm kind of going to make a sauce, to go over these egg noodles. And then we're gonna have broccoli right in here. And there we are. Our meal in the rainforest with limited options. Alright guys, and here is the end result. My plate, Harmony's plate, and Orion's plate. Woo woo! We about to group. No, nothing happened with the bridge, baby.
You almost had it. You gotta hold like this.
You gotta do it on the bottom, Orion. Flip it. You wanna try it, Harmony?
There you go.
Oh, you already doing it, baby girl.
There you go.
Good job, Harm. That is so cool. What do you guys say?
Thank you.
Oh, damn. Right.
There you go. Yeah, you can save your flashlight battery for a minute.
There you go.
It's not too dark right yet. I think we'll see any flying around in the cave though, because I hadn't seen any in a couple of days. But it's a big sinkhole. That's what they call those holes like that. If you see a big hole in the ground like this, then that's a sinkhole. And what happened is the rock broke. So it fell down. But it was a long time ago. I think it looks like a UFO, by the way. You get over that. Look at this. So if you look at this big rock, it looks like a spaceship. It's like the front of it. It goes all the way to the back. That's a big rock.
That's a really big rock, guys.
So yep, if you had the strength to pick it up, it would fit back together with the ceiling.
Whoa.
But we know it was about 35,000 years ago that it fell, because that's what grew after.
Oh my
So
God.
that's a stalactite and a stalagmite that grew together.
Oh.
And stalactites are on the ceiling. Right up ahead. That rock right there, I call that the dragon head.
You see?
That one right there in this room.
Look up, Rob.
Look right there where my flashlight's pointing. See
Look
right
at the
over here?
light.
That's the dragon head.
Oh, I see it
Now,
too.
so
Oh my
Yeah, look
gosh.
up there where I had it pointed. You see him sticking his head out on the ceiling? Did you get a cave kiss right in the head?
It was
That's what they call a cave kiss.
You got a cave kiss, Harm.
Little cave kiss.
Wow, that does look like a dragon head.
It feels good though. You gotta admit that feels pretty good.
Oh my goodness.
It's just shocking.
I got a cave kiss too, Harm.
You'll see a lizard, but not very often.
Yours is blue. Mine's is pink.
I thought that would probably go pretty good.
Come here, bud.
So that's how the ceiling. If you notice, like the brightness in the ceiling, and those
Yeah.
spots, that's where the smoke from their fires
Oh.
used to be able to exit and surface through.
Wow.
But the road is right there now. That just blocked those off. So
Oh my
we
God.
don't even see rain come through that.
That is
So
wild.
this is a very good example of what it looks like under East Tennessee. It's a very good representation.
Oh my God.
I'm not exactly used to it yet, but for what? It's real foggy in here today, too. No,
Stay back, Orion.
You're doing good. We're gonna get on.
You're doing great.
It's a sturdy one. It ain't gonna go nowhere. I promise.
Orion, come here.
It just makes a little bit of creaky noises and stuff. Let's see if this
Come on.
It will absorb UV light for a second.
How cool. Well, we made it, guys.
Motorcycle.
There is the sign.
You see the motorcycle?
Huh?
I see the motorcycle.
And here is the entrance, but
The motorcycle too. Oh! Another motorcycle.
look at that. We made it.
Yeah! We're ready for this mountain.
Made it to the mountain.
About time we did not take the key.
Get over there.
Bubbles! Yeah!
The babies have their bubbles. And this is just an overlook. I love these big rocks. So I decided to stop again. But yeah. You wanna try it? Oh yeah, please. Let's take a picture, guys. Y'all wanna go up under here? Whoa, y'all remember when we came up under here before? Yeah.
Mommy.
We're up under the rock. Come on. Mommy gotta bend really far down.
The motorcycle.
Stay right here. It's the road. So stay over here. Oh my God. So here we are. We made it. Just about, anyway. The last time we came up here, it was raining, so we didn't get to see any of this. So this is so exciting. Harmony seems to be a little cold. It's a little chilly up here, huh?
Nope. Chili.
A long bridge. Keep going. Huh? Green. This says that we're up 5,280 feet. Wow. Beautiful. Huh? Careful, careful. Huh? But you got it right there where Harmony is. And then turn around and sit down. What did you say it was, huh?
A big mountain.
Is it a big what?
Mountain.
Big mountain?
Yeah, it's over there too.
You a little chilly, huh?
Too far over there.
It's too far.
Yeah. Mama, I'm ready to go.
It's beautiful out here.
I want to go back.
Yeah, we're gonna go back.
I'm going to the river. I'm going to go back to the river.
Y'all ready?
I'm just playing. Mama, I don't want the people to go away. No, no, no. The people, hurry up.
We're not trying to catch up with the people, huh?
Yeah, let's catch up with the people.
Say hello. All right. Turn around.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello. I just started what? Hello. Mama, look at me.
So guys, I hope you truly enjoyed the content. Hopefully you made it this far. If you have, thank you for watching our entire videos. It means so much to me that y'all actually watch and like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. We are the Bloomies over here, and I would love to have y'all a part of this community. Don't forget to go to my Etsy shop if you are looking for jewelry or cutting boards as well. Get your very own custom cutting board from me, yours truly. And yeah, guys, peace. Have a wonderful week.